Welcome back to MotorHub. The Ferrari 812 GTS is back for 2025, and it's everything you'd expect from an open-top grand tourer with the heart of a raging beast. This isn't just another convertible, it's a statement. A declaration that Ferrari's naturally aspirated V12 engine is still alive and thriving, defying the era of downsizing and electrification. Under the hood, the 2025 812 GTS packs a monstrous 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an earth-shaking 819 horsepower and 530 lb-ft of torque. No turbos, no hybrid assist, just pure naturally aspirated power. This means instant throttle response, an 8,900 RPM redline, and a sound that will make any car enthusiast's heart race. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, sending power to the rear wheels and launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed. Ferrari has refined the aerodynamics of the 812 GTS, ensuring that it remains stable even at blistering speeds. The active aero system, combined with a sophisticated rear-wheel steering setup, makes handling precise and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, this Ferrari is always in control. One of the biggest highlights of the 812 GTS is, of course, its retractable hardtop. In just 14 seconds, the roof disappears, letting you fully experience the symphony of that V12 engine. Wind deflectors and aerodynamic tweaks ensure that even with the top down, the cabin remains comfortable at high speeds. Ferrari has mastered the balance between an open-air experience and maintaining the car's aggressive performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for both luxury and performance. High-quality leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara wrap the interior, while the digital instrument cluster and Ferrari's intuitive controls keep everything within easy reach. The passenger even gets their own dedicated screen, displaying real-time performance data and infotainment options. Every detail of the 2025 812 GTS screams exclusivity. The sculpted bodywork, the aggressive stance, and the signature quad exhausts all contribute to its unmistakable presence. Ferrari offers a range of customization options, from exclusive paint colors to bespoke interior finishes, allowing owners to make their 812 GTS truly unique. While the automotive world shifts towards hybrid and electric powertrains, the Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a tribute to traditional high-performance engineering. It's a machine built for those who crave the raw excitement of a naturally aspirated V12, the rush of open-top driving, and the prestige of owning a Ferrari Grand Tourer. For those lucky enough to get their hands on one, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just a car, it's an experience. A final chapter in the legacy of Ferrari's front-engine V12 convertibles, and possibly one of the last of its kind. So, if you hear that unmistakable V12 roar echoing down the road, you'll know Ferrari's passion for performance is still alive and well.